How to fix Discord loading chunk failed. First thing you're gonna do is on your Discord, just click Ctrl R. This will refresh your Discord. Then see if it's working. If it's not working, then you can do this. First, quit Discord on your Show Hidden Apps. And then on your Windows search, type run and go to your app data. That's percentage, app data percentage. Now once you're in here, just find Discord and right click, then delete this folder. Now once you're done, close this folder and go to your run again. This time go to your local app data. That's percentage local app data percentage. Once you're in this folder, go and find Discord again and right click, delete this folder. Once you're done, close this folder and go to your Windows search. Type add or remove programs, and in your installed apps, find again Discord. Now here what you need to do is to uninstall Discord and reinstall it again. Then once you're done, try using Discord again. Hope this helps.